Hi everyone, welcome back to GTL Labs YouTube channel. In today's video, we will dive into the topic of customer agreements and explore how they work in IFS ERP. In IFS ERP, customer prices are determined using a clear and structured hierarchy. Price sources include price breaks, condition codes, campaigns, customer agreements, price leads, and lastly, sales part, which serves as the default price source when no other conditions are met. This setup ensures flexibility in pricing based on your unique business requirements. Now, let's focus on customer agreements. These agreements allow us to define specific price and discount terms based on unique customers' needs. It gives businesses the ability to tailor their offerings to meet unique customer needs. It is important to note that only active agreements are applied to customer orders. Right now, I don't have any active status customer order agreements for my test customers. So, to demonstrate this process, I will create a new customer order for my customers. First, I will add a sales part to the customer order. You can see that the price was fetched from the sales part since there are no other active agreements in place. If I scroll to the right, you can also see that the price source is clearly listed as sales part. Now let's take this further and see how we can apply a customer agreement to this particular customer and sales part. Here I have already created a customer agreement for this customer, but it is not active yet. You can see that I have added the sales part to the agreement. I have given a special price of $90 for this specific customer. Next, I will activate the agreement. Let's see how this impacts the customer order. I will add the same sales part to the customer order again. Now you can see that the price source has been updated to agreement and the price source ID corresponds to the customer agreement ID. As you can see, IFS ERP makes it easy to manage customer-specific pricing, ensuring accuracy and flexibility in your sales process. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to GTL Labs for more informative content like this. Do you have any thoughts, questions or topics you would like us to cover in the future? Drop them in the comment section below. We would like to hear from you. See you in the next video. Thank you.